Hi, I'm Nikhil.
Hello everyone, I am Rishabh.
Hello everyone, I am Vasan.
We have built KARMA-OpenMedEvalKit.
We are open sourcing 4 evaluation datasets.
Standard speech recognition systems often fail at medical terminology like this.
While building medical AI at Eka, we have realized LLMs built on Western data struggle with Indian contexts. Primarily in the healthcare setting, they don't understand our accents in case of audio-speech recognition models, or the linguistic and colloquial nuances associated with our languages. That's why we have built KARMA-OpenMedEvalKit, the first open source framework designed specifically to evaluate medical AI in the Indian healthcare setting. This here is the documentation page for KARMA where we've detailed a lot of things. The first thing here is that KARMA is built with extensibility in mind for both developers and researchers. That is, you can bring your own models and dataset with ease. All you need to do is a single file change. Next thing, KARMA is very smart in the sense that there is a lot of caching involved for all the model invocations that you do. For each data point and model configuration, we compute a hash and then that output from the model is saved so that you can compute metrics later on or extend your dataset if that is one of the use cases that you have. KARMA right now has support for over 20 datasets. These are both datasets that we are contributing to the community and also a lot of medical datasets that have already been released. Along with this, we are also supporting both open source as well as models that are available through APIs. We would love contributions from the community to expand this list further so that people can bring their own models and datasets.
Hello everyone, I am Rishabh. So along with KARMA, we are open sourcing 4 evaluation datasets that we believe are key to evaluating applications for healthcare in India. Out of this 4, 2 of them focus on evaluating a model's capability to parse information out of unstructured documents. We are releasing one dataset for medical record parsing for different kind of medical documents like lab reports and prescriptions. In India, different labs and different facilities use different formats to generate their documents, and we have tried to capture this diversity in this dataset. We are also releasing a clinical note generation dataset that evaluates how a structured clinical note can be generated from a transcription of a consultation between a doctor and a patient.
Hello everyone, I am Vasan, a data scientist at Eka.Care. Now let's imagine a scenario where doctor dictates use metformin hydrochloride 500 mg twice daily. Standard speech recognition systems often fail at medical terminology like this. Now imagine this happening in India where we have unique branded drug names and diverse accents. This challenge becomes even greater. To evaluate and understand these nuances, we introduce the Eka Medical ASR Evaluation Dataset. This dataset contains over 3,900 curated audio recordings specifically designed for medical speech recognition. We have 3,600 English recordings and 320 Hindi recordings. This dataset is useful for developers building voice-enabled healthcare applications, medical documentation systems, and institutions evaluating AI-powered scribe solutions. So the main goal is simple. Better speech recognition leads to better medical documentation, which ultimately means better patient care. We are continuously expanding this dataset with more languages and scenarios because healthcare AI should work for everyone in India. Thank you.
And along with these datasets, we are also releasing 2 of our models. One is Parrotlet V Lite 4 billion, which is a light version of our state-of-the-art document parsing model. And another one is Parrotlet A English 5 billion, which is an ASR model fine-tuned on clinical text. So go check them out.